Hello and welcome. It's good to have you here again. I am Oluwakemi and this is question 11 of the WAEC 2017. This is the question. 1 factor of 7x raised to power 2 plus 33 minus 10 is one of these given options. This looks like a quadratic expression and we'll treat it as that. Okay, good. So the first thing we'll do is to find the product of the first and the last term, which is 7x squared times minus 10, and this will give us minus 70x squared. And the next thing is to find two terms that if we multiply them together we arrive at this, and these two terms if we add them together we arrive at the second term through 33x. Okay, so let us just make some quick guess. If we say 7x times 10x, this is going minus 10x, sorry, so this is going to give us absolutely minus 70x squared. But if we now add these together, that is 7x plus minus 10x, we are not going to arrive at 33x. In fact, we will arrive at minus 3x. So we need to look for another factor, and this factor is coming closer to I can see 35x. Okay, 35x times minus 2x. By the time we add 35x plus minus 2x, you can see that we are going to arrive at 33x, and if we multiply it, definitely we arrive at minus 70x squared. So we can go ahead now by substituting 33x with these two terms. So this is what we are going to have now. So we have plus 35x minus 2x minus 10. Okay, so if we solve for the run, we have to factorize by grouping. Okay, so we look for the common term in the first bracket, and this seems to be 7x, and with this we'll divide the content in the bracket with 7x. So 7x in 7x squared will have x left. 7x in 35x will have just 5. Okay, sorry, the second bracket, this is supposed to be, this is where the bracket is supposed to be. Okay, good. So what is common between these two terms is minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 divide minus 2x, we're left with x. Minus 2 divide minus 10, we are left with plus 5. Okay, so the two found factors are 7x minus 2 and the second factor x plus 5. So these are the two factors of the quadratic expression, and we can see that answer option C is the one that has 7x minus 2. So this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.